What does it mean to be accountable for yourself, for your actions? No one else is going to truly hold you accountable. Maybe you have a boss at your job to hold you accountable. But when it comes to you, I'm not talking about your career. I'm talking about you, the goals you want to achieve, your personal goals, whether they're physical, mental, spiritual, it doesn't matter. How are you keeping yourself accountable? Well, me, I post daily on the internet, usually with my shirt off. And I'm not just doing it to show off and be a cocky SOB. I'm really doing it to show you what's possible. That I walk the walk and talk the talk. I eat the way I say I eat. I train the way I say I train. That I take the supplements that I take, the peptides that I take. All of that encompasses me and who I am and the life I live. And it holds me accountable by doing it daily. And it also shows you what's possible. Look, you can rely on others to tell you they're gonna hold you accountable, a coach, a loved one, but you have to look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself, what am I doing and how am I holding myself accountable to the things I say I'm gonna do? Because at the end of the day, it's you versus you.